Hello friends, welcome back to Decor Catalog. Today we are diving into the world of modern TV unit design ideas where functionality meets style. The TV unit has evolved far beyond being just a stand for your television, it's now the focal point of your living room. A piece that defines your home's personality, blends technology with decor, and brings the entire entertainment space to life. So, if you are planning to upgrade your living room or set up a new entertainment zone, stay tuned because I will be sharing some of the latest and most stunning TV unit ideas you will absolutely love. In modern homes, the minimalistic aesthetic never goes out of style. Floating TV units are sleek, space saving, and visually light. They are mounted directly onto the wall, creating an illusion of spaciousness and cleanliness. Usually crafted from materials like laminated wood, matte finish MDF, or high gloss lacquer, these units are perfect for small apartments or compact living rooms. You can add soft LED backlighting behind the panel to highlight your screen and create a warm ambient glow. The minimalistic design keeps the focus on your television while maintaining a sophisticated modern vibe. For those who love a luxurious yet natural look, wood and marble combo TV units are trending. The texture of natural wood brings warmth while marble panels add elegance and refinement. You can use white or black marble paired with walnut or oak wood for contrast. This combination instantly elevates the overall decor and makes the unit a centerpiece in your living area. Add a few decorative elements like metallic handles, vases, or sculptures, and you will have a perfect blend of earthy and modern aesthetic. Built-in TV walls are the ultimate modern choice for a clean, seamless look. Instead of a separate cabinet, the entire wall becomes a design feature, often with integrated shelving, hidden storage, and recessed lighting. These designs work well in open concepts, living rooms, and can even include niches for decor pieces, books, or indoor plants. A matte wall finishes or fluted paneling behind the TV adds textures and depth, while LED strip lighting enhances the modern appeal. Backlighting has become a defining feature of contemporary interior design, and TV units are not exception. Adding an LED backlit panel behind your TV not only makes the area look stylish but also help reduce eye strain. The light creates a soft halo effect, making the TV wall stand out beautifully. You can choose warm white for cozy spaces or cool white for a high-tech look. Combine it with textured wall panels or stone cladding and you will get a premium home theater feel without needing a separate media room. If you prefer a raw edge look, industrial style TV units are a great options. Think exposed brick walls, metal frames, and reclaimed wood shelves. These designs bring character and personality into your space. A matte black metal frames combined with the rustic wooden panels gives off a modern loft-inspired aesthetic. Add Edison bulbs or a few metallic decor pieces and your living room will instantly look like a designer's creations. Industrial designs are ideal for people who like a rugged modern style with a bit of vintage touch. Technology is shaping modern furniture design, and TV units are becoming smarter and more modular. These designs often come with adjustable shelves, hidden wire management systems, and even integrated charging ports or sound bars. Some smart units include sliding panels that conceal the TV when it's not in use, maintaining a minimalistic aesthetic. Modular units are also flexible. You can rearrange or expand them later, which is perfect for those who love to refresh their interior without starting from scratch. From a sleek contemporary finish, glass and metal ancients are becoming increasingly popular. You might see floating glass shelves combined with the slim aluminum frames or a glossy glass backdrop behind the TV. These materials reflect light beautifully and add a sense of openness to the room. Metal trims in the gold, bronze, or matte black offers a touch of sophistication without overwhelming the decor. When paired the natural walls, the style feels futuristic and chic. To give your TV wall a designer touch, pair the unit with decorative panels, options like fluted wood panels, 3D wall tiles, stone veneer, or wallpaper textures add instant depth and visual interest. The key is to complement your overall interior style for intense wood slats suit sandvision decor, while glossy 3D panels fit perfectly in contemporary homes. You can also create an ancient wall by painting the TV backdrop in a bold shade like navy blue or charcoal gray to make your setup stand out. Modern living calls for clever space utilization. That's why TV units today often double as storage furniture. You can design out with concealed cabinets for DVD gaming consoles and remotes, along with open shelving for decorations. Wall-to-wall TV units with built-in drawers and side bookshelves are perfect for those who want a clutter-free living area. When planning your design, think about balance. Too much storage can look heavy, while open shelving needs proper styling to avoid looking messy. Finally, for those who want something truly unique, custom-made TV units are the way to go. With a customized approach, you can choose every element, the dimensions, materials, finished lighting, and storage layout tailored to your lifestyle and room size. You can even integrate your unit into the architecture. For example, a TV wall that flows seamlessly into a false ceiling design, or connect visually to a neatly partition or console table. Custom designs ensure that TV unit not only fits perfectly but also express your personal style. A great design does not just about structure, styling, materials to use. Minimal accessories like ceramic vases, candles, frame photos, or a small indoor plants to keep the look fresh and balanced. Avoid over decorating around the screen. Instead, focus on symmetry and subtle textures. If your room allow, pair your TV with the comfortable seating and ancient lighting to create an inviting entertainment space. And that's wrap up in our list of latest and modern TV unit design ideas. Whether you prefer minimalistic, luxurious, or high-tech designs, the perfect TV unit is one that complements your lifestyle and enhances your home's beauty. And remember, your TV unit is not just about watching shows; it's about creating a space where your style, comfort meet. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Decor Catalog, and turn on notifications or for more modern home and decor inspiration every week. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.